Alright, so we're starting to tear down on Terry's Challenger here. This is going to be a full restoration. Thankfully the majority of the mechanical has already been done. We got a new interior in this car. We're going to gut all this out. Jerry did some exploratory surgery here. Did find some minor rust, but nothing too catastrophic. We're going to go ahead and replace the quarters on this car. For us, being we got to take it apart so far anyways, it's just an easier way for us to go, and I prefer doing a full quarter versus patches. Terry's going to be doing a color change as well, so that'll be fun. We got to, drop the drivetrain out, completely disassemble this bad boy. And again, most of the mechanical is done. We're going to do some fun stuff like a Dakota digital dash. They make a beautiful one for this car. And then a few minor upgrades, but overall it's get rid of the rust, get a new color on it, and we're going to be replacing a lot of the sheet metal. The hood's got a bunch of dings and dongs, got a twist in it. He'd prefer a new hood, so we're just going to go with the new hood on this. This is going to be a really fun project. I mean, this is the kind of stuff that gets me out of bed in the morning. I love doing the old Mopars, that's my passion, and looking forward to creating a masterpiece for Terry here.